welcome to the July City Managers Update. Thanks for joining me. I'm joining you this month from Hartshorn Park and Launch Ramp here along the shores of Muskegon Lake. Earlier this week, I was able to join a group of individuals coordinated by Wimserdick to talk about the delisting of Muskegon Lake that will happen later this fall. We're really excited that after many years of hard work by our federal partners, state partners, local partners, nonprofit partners, community volunteers, and many others, we're finally to a point where Muskegon Lake will be delisted from the area of concern. There's still a couple more administrative steps to take, but we do expect that the delisting to occur this fall. The other reason we're out here at Hartshorn Park and Launch Ramp is to talk about the new traffic flow pattern that we have here now that Adelaide Boulevard is done. That is the primary entrance to Hartshorn Park and Launch Ramp. Now this is consistent with the agreement that the city had going back to the mid-2010s with Harbor West. The driveway to the east of Fricano's was always intended to be a temporary entrance into Hartshorn Park and Launch Ramp. And once development occurred within the Harbor West property, it was always intended that a road would be built to the west as Adelaide Boulevard is, and that would be the primary entrance. We have some footage to show you how that works, where you can find that, because it is a little bit further to the west than what the current entrance is, but we want to make sure folks are using that. We're also down here at Hartshorn Launch Ramp and Park to talk about the new entrance to the park up Adelaide Boulevard. For years, folks have used this driveway here on the east end of Fricano's. The new entrance is just a little bit further to the west. Follow us. You'll come up to the four-way stop in front of Fricano's and proceed straight through. And just past that on your right will be the entrance to the park, marked with a public waterfront access sign. As you progress up Adelaide Boulevard, you'll see the bathhouse for Hartshorn directly in front of you. That'll be getting an upgrade here shortly as well. As you come up Adelaide Boulevard, you'll turn right into Hartshorn Park. Something that we want to make sure we're making folks aware of is that the parking area to the right of the ramp is for vehicles with trailers only. And the parking area to the left of the ramp is for cars and vehicles without trailers. If you can please help us keep this in mind as you're parking, it will help with traffic flow throughout Hartshorn Park and Launch Ramp. The driveway to the east of Fricano's can still be used for exiting purposes for vehicles with trailers, but we do ask that if you are in a car without a trailer, that you please use Adelaide Boulevard for both the entrance and exit from the park. One of the really cool things about the Adelaide Point development and development along Muskegon Lake is the expanded public access that the public gets to enjoy more so now than ever. I'm standing on the fishing pier here at Adelaide Point around the marina. This is a publicly accessible pier as is dictated by funds from the state that were used to build this pier, and in cooperation with Adelaide Point, the Leestma family, and the city of Muskegon. This is a great addition for our community. I'm down here often and I see people from the neighborhood riding their bikes down and fishing off this pier a lot. It's just off the bike trail to the north of the new condos here at Adelaide Point. If you haven't had a chance to check it out, you should come down. It's open from sunrise to sunset, and it's just a gorgeous spot to view Muskegon Lake. Please click around the newsletter for other updates that we have this month, and thanks for checking us out. Have a great summer.